Hi, very nice of you to join me again. This is just another explanation of the lessons I'm giving to teach you to speak and understand the Jamaican language. In the first section, I tell a story or do a commentary in Jamaican Patwah. But immediately after that, I explain to you in English what I just said. Easy, isn't it? Soon you will be able to understand the Jamaican lingo perfectly, and in no time you will be chatting like a me. So keep joining in. I love having you. Have a wonderful day.
Me there at Miami Beach, you know. And boy, me I tell you, the water cold, you see. Me I tell you, Jamaican people don't know how full yard nice, you know. We have white sand beach and warm water all the way from Negril, what Portland. And when you go St. Thomas, if you go behind Golden Grove factory, you have to walk or ride bicycle or something. But around there they have one nice white sand beach, you know. Enough people don't know about it. And when you go around a Maca Beach or St. Thomas, them boys they surf around there, you know. We have everything when it comes to nice beach. And all the south coast. Down by Treasure Beach and Great Bay. They don't have white sand beach, you know. But it's nice down there, the water warm. Yes, Miami Beach water cold. Me not go in there. But you know what I mean, understand? Enough Jamaican can't swim, you know. Look how much water we have around the place. And enough Jamaican can't swim. Me did learn to swim a Black River in the sea. But me go down there the other day and guess what me see? I see no crocodile, master. Then swim up from the river and in the sea. So me not swim down there again. But then you go to Blue Fields and all them places, the Belmont. That's a nice white sand beach with warm water, you know. So we don't know if we enjoy our country. And Jamaican people them need to learn to swim because look at all the nice river them too. Make a river go swim to, you know. River water nice, it kind of cold. You have to just jump in there, boom. And after that everything get cool and nice and warm. In the previous section, I was saying that I'm at Miami Beach, but the water is cold. I'm not going to swim here. By comparison, Jamaica has such wonderful beaches all the way from Negril to Portland. Beautiful white sands beaches with warm water. You can't ask for more. And when you reach St. Thomas, the beach around there is great, but if you go behind Golden Grove Sugar Factory, they have a white sand beach around there. Plenty of people don't know anything about that because you really have to maneuver through the cane fields to get there. And in St. Thomas, around by Maca Beach, they have big waves. People go around there and surf. So we have everything in Jamaica. You go down to Treasure Beach. The sand is brown, but the water is nice. And other places around there, Great Bay, it's nice too. Black River is where I learned to swim, but Black River Sea. But nowadays I see there are crocodiles swimming up into the sea, so I wouldn't swim there anymore. But you go on to Blue Fields and Belmont and other places, absolutely wonderful beaches, and the water is always warm. I don't know why more Jamaicans don't learn to swim, because we have such beautiful beaches and rivers. And you know a lot of Jamaicans can't swim. It's amazing. This was just another lesson in Talk Jamaica, as well as a tour guide for all waters. So get your book, Talk Jamaica, at Amazon.com. And soon you will not only chat like a me, when you go to Jamaica, you will understand everything a Jamaican says. So have a great day.
Patwah.